Pine shoot beetles are important pests of pine trees. They'll feed on tree trunks and the tips of new growths, known as shoots. Feeding activity causes trees to become weakened and stunted, making them vulnerable to disease and may be a contributing factor to a decline in the tree's health. In this video, we'll go over how to identify pine shoot beetles, how to control an infestation, and how to prevent them from breaking out in the future. Check the video's description for timestamps if you want to jump to a specific point. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about pest control, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. There are several species of pine shoot beetle found in the US. Generally, mature beetles have round, cylindrical bodies that grow up to 5 millimeters in length. A beetle's head and thorax are black, while their wing covers can range from reddish-brown to black. The larvae usually will go unseen since they develop within wood until maturity. They're a pale white color with bodies that are usually curled in a C shape. They lack true legs and they grow up to 5 millimeters in length before pupating. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what to look for, check your property to confirm the pest's presence or find activity hotspots. Pine shoot beetles primarily target pine trees, but they will also infest other trees like spruce or larch. These beetles overwinter in the shoots and bark of trees and will emerge from March to April when temperatures reach 54 degrees Fahrenheit. After emerging, pine shoot beetles mate to produce one generation for the season. Be on the lookout for exit holes the beetles make after they've pupated into adults. Pine trees that have been damaged may also produce pitch at the sites of injury. Prolonged activity will result in tree leaves browning and branches eventually dying. After identifying your pest and inspecting your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE and remember to keep people and pets out of the treated areas until products settle completely. Before chemical treatment, remove infested wood on your property. This is easiest when pine shoot beetles are inactive and overwintering in shoots and bark. Pine shoot beetles can inhabit trees down to their bases, so you may need to consider removing the whole tree. To treat pine shoot beetles on your property, use an insecticide like Supreme IT. Supreme IT is a bifenthrin-based liquid insecticide concentrate that's labeled to treat over 70 different pests. When applied, this product will leave a residual chemical barrier that will control pests for up to 90 days after application. This product is a liquid concentrate, so it will need to be mixed with water before application. To reach higher tree canopies, we recommend you apply this product with a Solutions electric backpack sprayer. Apply the product's labeled rate of 0.5 to 1 whole fluid ounce of product per 1,000 square feet of treatment area. Aim for complete coverage of the tree's foliage and branches, then spray along the tree's trunk. This treatment is most effective on non-infested trees before adult beetles have emerged in the area. Pine shoot beetles will be unable to safely land on treated surfaces to lay eggs on wood. Beetles exposed to treated surfaces will have their nervous systems impacted and will die shortly. Prevention is essential to keeping pests in check. Even after applying pesticides, the best way to stop pest activity is to ensure it can't happen. Once you've eliminated pests from your property, maintain the health of trees and shrubs with proper watering and regular pruning. Healthy plants are more resilient to pest activity and are more likely to recover. Inspect for loose wood, as pests often use them as harborages. Pick up and remove any leaf litter or wood debris around the outside of your home. Finally, keep up with regular applications of Supreme IT. Supreme IT lasts for up to 90 days, so one application every 3 months will provide year-round protection against pine shoot beetles and prevent them from infesting your property. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop pine shoot beetles from breaking out, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.